Hello students, good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Roji, your IP teachers. Today I'm going to explain you the next topic of chapter 1. In previous class, we have already discussed the uh, system software. Means system software is a software that is necessary to run the execute internal operations of a computer systems. Means without system software, we cannot perform the any function or any task in a computer systems. Now we will discuss the other software, that is the system utility. System utility means the utility software means the software programs that ensures the smooth functioning of the computer systems. Means by using the utility softwares, the utility software assist the computer system to perform the task smoothly. Means it is used to smooth functioning of the, it ensures the smooth functioning of the computer system. The different type of utility softwares are the first one is the antivirus software. Means antivirus software means the software antivirus software protects the computer system from the computer virus. For example, Norton antivirus, Quick Heal antivirus. These are the antivirus software. Means this software protects our computer system from the virus attacks. Another utility software is the file management tools. Means file management tools means this type of software help us to perform the tasks like browsing the file, arranging the file, searching the file, and finding the informations or quick preview of the data. Means file management tools are used file management tools are used to browse the data, search the data, arrange the data, etc. And Window Explorer is best examples of the file management tools. Another utility software is the another utility software is the file. After the file management, we will discuss the disk compression utilities. Compression utility means the it is used to just like to compress the file. Means large file can be compressed so that they take less storage area. Means compression utility is used to compress the large file to store the less memory area. And the example of compression utility software is a WinJar, WinZip, etc. Another is the disk management tools. Disk management tools means the tools that are used to manage the disk space of the computer system to increase the performance. Disk management tools are used to manage the disk management tools are used to manage the disk to increase the performance of computer systems. And the disk management software means the disk cleanup tools. These are the tools, disk cleanup tools, disk defragmenter, and backup utility. Disk cleanup tools means allow us to free your computers from the unnecessary file. These tools means free the computers from the unnecessary files. Disk defragmenter means these utility programs allow us to minimize the fragmentations on our disk. And backup utility means this utility program facilitate the backing up data. Backup means creating the duplicate copy of a file folders or any important informations. And the backup utility softwares is used to back up the data. Means means that in case of any damage or data lost, we can recover the data from the backup utility software. Next is the device driver software. Means device driver software means the software, uh, main purpose of the device driver software is it is a driver's program or files that contains the set of instruction for the operating system dealing how to operate the drivers or the driver devices. Means to use the hardware, to use the new hardware to arrange, to work on the particular hardware devices, we have to install the, we have to use the driver softwares. Means it is known as the device driver software. Means the software that is used to work on the particular hardware device. Suppose we want to do the work of printers. For using the printers means for operating the printers, we have to install the driver for that particular printers. So this is known as the device driver software. Next one is the application software. Means the software, what is the application software? Means the application software consists of the application software means a set of program or the software that is used to perform the task according to our applications. Means according to our applications, we use the application softwares. And application software, there are the two type of application software. First one is the general purpose software and second one is the customized software. Means general purpose software, just like a software that is used for the general requirement. Means for example the word processing software. Means word processing software is a general purpose software and the software that is used to perform the work related to the documents. An example of word processing software is a MS Word and the Writer. MS Word in the MS Office packages and Writer in the Open Office. Another is the spreadsheet software. Means using the spreadsheet software means to performing the task to arranging the data into row and column and to performing the some mathematical task in data. We use the spreadsheet softwares, and to storing the large amount of data we use the data management softwares and the desktop publishing softwares and graphic multimedia and presentation software and web browser. These are the application softwares that is used according to the requirement of the users. And another is the customized software. Means customized softwares refer to the specially developed software which is created by the software program for the task specific to the needs of the specific business. Means the customized software means the software that is developed according to the organizations, according to the business organizations, that is known as the customized softwares. And there are the few concepts, that is the proprietary and proprietary, free and open source softwares. Means what is the proprietary softwares, what is the open source software. In next class we will discuss. Okay students, thank you students.